Hey everyone, this is Isaac Johnson, Vice President of Insurance at Mach Financial. Life insurance is a way many people plan for sudden life changes, but have you considered its usefulness as a business owner? In this video, we'll be talking about how business owners can use life insurance to create liquidity as it relates to business transfer planning. Being a business owner comes with its fair share of concerns. You have to think about scenarios that may never play out just to make sure your business is set up for success. If you have a business partner and one of you suddenly passes, their surviving spouse potentially now owns their half of the business, and you may not have the cash available to buy them out. This is where life insurance can offer liquidity to make sure their family is taken care of. To look at a real-world example, imagine you and a partner own a successful manufacturing company valued at $2 million. If your partner passes away unexpectedly, their 50% share of the business, worth $1 million, likely goes directly to their spouse. Suddenly, you're in a business with a grieving spouse who may not know how to run a company or simply wants their $1 million out of the business. Unless you have $1 million in cash sitting in your bank account, you're in a massive bind. You might be forced to take a massive debt, sell critical business assets, or even sell the company entirely just to raise the cash to buy them out. This is exactly why life insurance is such a powerful tool for business transfer planning. By structuring a buy-sell agreement funded by a life insurance policy on each partner, you create an instant liquidity the moment it is needed. Protecting the business you've built takes proactive planning. At Mach Financial Group, our team of advisors can look at your current business structure and help you put a solid transfer plan in place before you ever need it. Call our office today or schedule a 15-minute introductory conversation with an advisor at mach1fg.com.